After you learn how to find the area of a rectangle or another parallelogram, you want to be able to find the volume of a rectangular prism. Area of a parallelogram or a rectangle is great if you want to put a carpet out or throw a rug or something on the floor, but if you really want to see how much space something takes up, if you have room for a DVD on the case or a book on a bookcase, you need to be able to look at the volume. Okay, so the difference between rectangle and rectangular prism is a rectangle is a flat object. It has two dimensions. Okay, we could look at it as 2D. It has its length and its width. And that's all that you need to worry about for a rectangle. When you have a rectangular prism, you have a third component that you're adding in, that third dimension. You have the length and the width and the height. Okay, that's what makes an object like a book have more to it, which isn't a great description, but I think you understand. Okay, so you want to be able to find the volume. So to find, well, let's look at the area of a rectangle first. Okay, to find the area of a rectangle, those two dimensions, you have your length and you have your width, and you're done. To find the area, to find the volume of a rectangular prism, you just need to add in that third dimension. So you keep your length and your width, and you add in the height. Okay, you have the length at the bottom, which would usually be your base, and then your height, which remember it goes on all four edges. I don't have the edges in the back here, and its width. Okay, and all you need to do is multiply those three values together. So let's look at this one. I have a rectangular prism here. Not a great drawing, but you get the idea. Okay, let's find its volume. The volume is equal to length times width times height. Okay, my length is equal to 5 meters. My width is 3 meters. And my height is 6 meters. So now I can start plugging things in. Okay, what I would do, oops, wrong shape. What I can do is go from there, ta-da, there we go, volume equals 5 meters times my width, which is 3 meters, times my height, which is 6 meters. Okay, start working down. Volume equals 5 meters times 3 meters, which is 15 meters squared. Meters times meters is meters squared. Times 6 meters, okay, volume equals 15 meters squared times 6 meters. 15 times 6 is 90. Meters squared times meters is meters cubed. Okay, and that's my solution. Okay, the reason it's meters cubed is because if I had a cube and the length of each edge of that cube was 1 meter, I'd be able to fit 90 of them into this rectangular prism. Okay, and that's all that I need to do. Take my length, move it up, take my width, move it up, move my height, move it up, and just multiply everything together. Let's look at one more. Okay, I have another rectangular prism. Okay, start with my formula. Volume equals length times width times height. Okay, my length is 8 feet. My width is 2 feet. And my height is 5 feet. Okay, come across. Volume is equal to 8 feet times my width, 2 feet, times my height, which is 5 feet. Okay, volume equals 8 feet times 2 feet, which is 16 feet squared times 5 feet. Okay, just keep going down. Volume equals 16 times 5, which is 80. Feet squared times feet is feet cubed. And that is my solution. That's how you find the volume of a rectangular prism. Again, multiply straight across. Length times width times height, and you're done.